Introducing the console table by SpryInterior, a premium, handcrafted product made entirely from natural wood. Its unique design can be customized to fit your space perfectly. The console table is delivered in disassembled parts for easy transportation. When your package arrives, follow our step-by-step instructions to assemble your table. Start by assembling the table legs. Each part is numbered. Match the numbers and connect the pieces. Use a hammer to secure the parts. Place a cloth or soft material over the wood before hammering to prevent damage. Repeat this process for all remaining sections. Once the trunk is complete, start assembling the tabletop and body. Place the tabletop on the installed body and use screws to secure them together. To ensure stability, secure the table to your wall using the provided screws. Once assembled, your console table is ready to use. Decorate it with your favorite items to create a tidy, stylish living space.